So, you got your basic rig, but something about the joint biz just don't quite look right. Not a problem. Now don't get me wrong, the basic rig is great for game design and low poly projects like phone games, but if you want more clean bends, you are gonna need a more advanced rig. The reason why the bends in this rig don't always quite look right is because the joints on a real human body don't pivot on a single axle. They actually bend using fulcrum and ball and socket type joints, which means that instead of this, what should really be happening is this. So, how do you make it? Well, the easiest way that I've found is to simply add a double joint system. This way you can still add IK directly to the rig for more control. With the rig selected in edit mode, click the shin and press Alt-P to clear the parent. Move the end of the hip up and the top of the shin down. Hold shift and make sure that both are selected. Then press F to fill. Name the bone knee.L and make sure that the parent of the shin is the knee. You're done. If you want, you can also do the exact same thing to the arms. Name it elbow.L, parent it, and call it a day. So hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.